Yeah, find integral of 1 minus x into root x dx. So we have to integrate this with respect to x. Dx means with respect to x. So answer first I will take this as I is equal to this thing. So 1 minus x into root x dx. Next step, what you do, equal, write this as this. This is integration symbol. Now we have to multiply this and this. So for that, distribute this root x with this. When I say distribute means you have to multiply with 1 first, then you have to multiply with this. First multiply this root x with 1. 1 into root x minus asterisk. Now multiply this with x, root x into x. So first I will write x into root x asterisk. Now we have to put the bracket, then dx. Okay. Next step, write integration symbol, bracket. So root x is there. Now first write this x. See this root, when you remove this root symbol, it becomes 1 by 2 as power. So this root becomes 1 by 2, that is x to the power of 1 by 2. Okay. When you remove this, you will get 1 by 2 as the power. Okay, remember this. Minus. Next, your x you write as is. Similarly, for root x is equal to x to the power of half. Same thing, you write this. Root x is equal to x to the power of half. Okay. Next to dx. Next, write this integration symbol. Write this x to the power of half as is minus. Here you see, here nothing is there means 1 is there. X to the power of 1 is there. Now we have a formula, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So I am going to write here, so x to the power of 1 into x to the power of half, that is equal to, see, in place of, this is in the form of this, in place of a we have x, in place of m 1 is there, in place of n half is there. So is using this formula, a means x, m means 1 plus n means half 1 by 2. Okay, so that is equal to x. Okay, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Got it? So now in place of this I am going to write this. So x to the power of 3 by 2 dx. Okay. So till here you understood, right? Now remaining I will solve on the back side of the board. So I will write this last step once again on the back side. So I am going to write last step. So we got till here I is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 bracket minus x to the power of 3 by 2, x to the power of 3 by 2 dx. This is till here we solve the problem. So next step is what? See, next is equal to, see, because of this minus symbol you can split this integration. You can take for this separately, first like this, x to the power of half and this dx, next minus, again take this integration for this separately. So integration of x to the power of 3 by 2 dx. We can take like that because minus sign. Okay. So next step, we will use a formula. See, there is a formula, integration of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Now here dx is there, dx is equal to this. Now this I will write once again here, integral of x to the power of dx is equal to, you can see this is in the form of this. So in place of n we have half. Okay, so according to this formula, x n, in place of n what we have, half, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 whole divided by, in place of n 1 by 2 plus 1. Next step, x as it is, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by, see, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. Okay, so now in place of this I am going to write this. So x to the power of 3 by 2 whole divided by 3 by 2. Next minus, next this part is done. Now I will take this integral of x to the power of 3 by 2 dx is equal to, now you can see this is in the form of this. So in place of n we have 3 by 2. So according to this formula, so x, this x first, so n means 3 by 2, so plus 1 whole divided by n, in n means in place of n we have 3 by 2. So in place of n we have 3 by 2, I am going to write here, so plus 1, that is equal to x 3 by 2 plus 1 is pi by 2 whole divided by, again 3 by 2 plus 1 is 5 by 2. See, in place of this I am going to write this, so x to the power of 5 by 2 whole divided by 5 by 2. Okay, next see, after you integrate and if you write the answer here, once this integration symbol is removed in the next step, so you have to add the integration constant c, plus c you have to write. So next, see, this 3 by 2 is in the denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. I will bring this to numerator. When 3 by 2 is brought to numerator, 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. 2 by 3 and this will be asterisk x to the power of 3 by 2. Next minus, next here, this is numerator, this is denominator. When you bring this denominator to the numerator, 5 by 2 will become 2 by 5. It's like reverse, pi by 2 will become 2 by 5, reverse. Okay, next write this asterisk, so x to the power of 5 by 2, next plus c. See, this is the answer. So I is equal to, you have to write. So this is the answer. That's all. Thank you. Click on subscribe.